Right. God almighty. Are we live now? Are we live? Jeez. So I'm 10 minutes late. I was just about to jump into the game and a massive Steam update came in. 10 gigabyte download came in. That got sorted a couple of minutes ago. Then YouTube wouldn't go live until I refreshed the Steam page, and it seems to be live. So hopefully there's somebody here. I don't know, man. Okay. We need to double check this. I think we've got updates for structural analysis tool. Whatever that is. I need to get up there. I need some rods. Should be some rods around here somewhere. Give me the rods. Let's bore that. There you go. Sorted. Okay. Right. Structural analyst. What the hell is this supposed to mean? What is this?
Research to develop the rebar gun is now available. When completed, you will be in possession of a tool effective against any local obstacles actively objecting to the FICSIT mission.
Actually, let's get this, shall we? I'm not a big fan of the rebar gun. It's a bit slow. What do we need to build that?
Rebar gun and iron rebar ammo unlocked.
Ammo.
Your ingenuity towards preservation of FICSIT property has been noted. You earned a micro break. And welcome back. I hope you feel refreshed.
Yeah, it's great. Okay. What do I need to build that? What I could do is, that's not plugged into the bin, is it? I'm going to use this, put the rebar, put the rods in here. Change this to, not rods. Rebar. Okay, let's build that. Yabba dabba doo. I need screws. Screw it. There's some screws going that way. Right then. Let's relax. Not enough screws. How many screws have you got? Yeah, that'll do. Probably enough. Right. Give me a gun. Oh, we need a lot of screws. Oh, I know we can get a lot of screws. Screw this. Oh. I left the game running for a few hours. Well, more than a few hours, actually. I forgot about the game. So everything should be done for the space elevator. We've got to shove that in there, but I want to get myself a gun first. We need some rods. We've got plenty of rods here. We should have lots of screws here. Let's take it from you. That should be enough. How much room have we got on us? Having some junk on us, right? Oh, yesterday I found that pulse thingy, but it couldn't load it into my boom thingy. Apparently, you can't load it in if you haven't unlocked it in the MAM. So if you haven't done the research for unlocking pulse grenades, you can't use them. Really annoying. I'm pretty sure in an earlier version of the game you could. Because I remember using a nuke grenade way too early in the game. But that might have been in beta. Okay, can I build this thing now? Yes. Yeah. Give me the ammo. Thank you. Alright, what should we replace it with? Yeah, we don't need that at the moment. Yummy. Let's go shoot someone. Right, let's load up the space elevator. Let's shoot it all into space. That should be enough, probably. How many do we need? 700 and so. 600 and whatever. Yeah. I'm hoping one of the things we can unlock soon is going to be a hover pack. I can't remember how early in the game it's going to be. I need it. So I struggle to build without it. I need to be elevated. Right. Oh, you're kidding me. You are having a bath. Where is it? That one there, isn't it? Let's do a Superman impression. Yeah. I'll keep the machine on just in case. Don't know what the other upgrades are needed. Right. Yes, 50 should do it. Wee drinky. I like the way it pop out here, it's quite good. Boink. Right, there you go. Oh yeah.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 2 project part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 2 will be completed and the construction dock will be constructed. After completion of Phase 2, the technologies of Tiers 5 and 6 will become available in the hub.
Jetpack.
These might feel intimidating after your previous experience, but rest assured that you would not be here if you were entirely incompetent. Highlights are oil production, railway transportation, the jetpack, and many more. Completing Phase 3 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. Just remember to focus on producing and delivering the project parts, and FICSIT's faith in you will be strengthened.
Cool. Right. Yeah, probably for Pioneer safety, they don't let you throw around nuclear bombs. Yeah, now for all the unlocks.
Phase 2 of Project Assembly completed. You have been performing more adequately under pressure and are closer than ever to saving the day. Perhaps you were the right choice for the job. Time will tell. You will now enter Phase 3 of Project Assembly. Continue as you are, and there should be no issue. For humanity. For FICSIT.
Cool. So one of those space parts for Phase 3 is already in production, so that's handy. That's lovely. Cool. Yep. Show me the upgrades and what can we get? What can we get? Jetpack? Yeah. There's oil around the corner. But I want a hover pack. Where's the hover pack? We can't build that yet. We put biofuel in the jetpack. That is really good. You haven't started even creating elevator parts for part 2. Yeah, that's because you got 1,000 times parts. It's going to take you years. Ooh, trucks. Fluid trucks. Fluid trucks are new. Fluid truck station. That's interesting. Oil processing. Yes. Hey man, how do I make one? Monorails, trains. I must be able to make this already. Oh, we've unlocked that at some point. I've been rushing through the... I can be not looking at everything so fast. It's just like... Pipeline engineering, not a problem. It's a jetpack, but it's not a hover pack. Okay, we're going to quickly do this. I think we got... Did we pick up... We need 50 motors. I think we stole some motors from somewhere. I never see motors. If not, we're going to build them. Which is going to be... Oh, we found 3. We've got 3. Right. Motors. What do I need for motors? Motor? Stators already in production. Rotors are... We need rotor for a motor. Rotors already in production as well. Those two might not take long to put together. Right. We need a few more cables. Yeah. Well, Kevin, you have bitten off more than you can chew. Doing about 1 million times more parts for your build. Respect to you. But I'd rather not do that myself. Okay, I've got these. Get rid of that crap. Right, what am I doing? Stators are being built over here. They're the stators going in there, going down there. And coming up here. Good. To be building these. Right, we don't need that, do we? At the moment, we're shut production down off that. We reroute. Maybe not reroute that. Hang a minute. Where are those rotors being built? Cubes. Hurry up. What are you building? Reinforced. I thought I was building 2 lots of rotors somewhere. Could have sworn I was. What are you building? Oh, explosives. Up here. That's the, yeah, okay. I think rotors have been built over there. Maybe, maybe. We're building smart plating over here. Kind of. That goes into there. Rotor production is here. Rotor production has been stopped and is rerouted somewhere. Where's that going? Oh, it's just going here. Oh, we've gone into storage. That's handy. Kind of. Let me take that for now. We'll put these rotors into this machine here. We'll change what it's making to be motors. Yeah, we'll unplug these cables. Put in that. Yeah, it's all temporary at the moment. Turn that bad boy on. Stick that in there. Shove them in there. While that's going in there, we can build rotors. What do we need? Hello? What do we need for the screws? And that's over here. Screws and rods have been built over here. There's rods. That's going in there. Screws were over here. What are you making? Yeah, that stuff's handy. But it's not vital. Yeah. I'm going to shut you down for a second. Stand by. I'm going to take that out. Stick that in the other one. I'm going to route this through the floor. Yeah. Change this to rotors. And rods over there. Okay, bring that around here. And there. Sweet. Okay, now we're cooking. Kind of. Speed that up. Okay. That's going through the floor. Where did I put that? Oh, God. Line that up there. Get it a bit closer. Okay. What? Where is it? Over there. Okay. Should be feeding in there, hopefully. Elevation. I need elevation. That'll do. Stick another one in there. We got 26, 29 now. Getting there. We're almost there. Are we getting the feed into this? Is this going up? Yeah, it's going up and down at the same time. Okay. I think we had enough in storage anyway. Cables. We need some extra cables. Getting a bit low on cables. I had loads of cables somewhere. There you go, loads of cables. Okay. Right. You've got to make 250,000 of those triangle frames. That's late in game, isn't it? Triangle frames. Is that tier 6? I thought it was tier 7. I'm not sure. Right, got cables. Those roses should be almost done. I think there's some stuff in the man we haven't unlocked yet. Well, there's lots of stuff we haven't unlocked, but there's things we can unlock. This, we can unlock that.
Research completed. AI limiter recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
AI limiter, yes. Hydrothermal generator. That'd be handy. Gas grenades. Gas grenades. Gas grenades. Do I have any? I remember seeing something. Got that. Got that. Could have some. This. Okay, we could get some serious upgrades going now. Get some. Oh, I need more stuff. Oh, 100 voters for that. Right, add that to the list. What have we got here? Okay. Radar tower I really need, but I need to be able to build this, and that's still locked. Okay, so, right. Sun's gone down already. Did I have... I had some oscillators, didn't I? Did I use that in research for something else? I think I did, didn't I? Bugger. Okay, what do we need again? Okay, we need to pour 100 of those. I can't remember what else. I think we've got enough motors. Yeah, more than enough. Okay, let's get that upgrade. Let's get ourselves a jetpack. That should be amusing. I don't think I've got any fuel for the jetpack. Shit. Well, this is going to be a pointless upgrade then, isn't it? Right. Oh well. I've got them all way. It's not that we need, it's... Upgrades go into this thing here, don't they? Yeah, sorry about that. It goes in here. Alright, that goes in there. Boom.
Milestone reached. FICSIT has granted you the power of flight, provided you have a jetpack and the appropriate fuels. The jetpack refuels automatically while you are standing on a surface, and different fuel types will affect the jetpack's functionality. With this increased versatility, you will no doubt achieve efficiency levels previously unheard of.
Solid biofuel works in it, doesn't it? Yes. It's not exactly reliable. We'll build it and store it for later. So we could actually... Yeah, solid biofuel. Doesn't last very long though, does it? Okay. What we really need is... Yeah. unlock oil processing. This. But in order to unlock this, I need to unlock plastic, which needs oil processing. Right. So where's my hover pack? I think the hover pack might be in the MAM. Is it in the MAM? Experimental power generation. We've got sulfur around here, and we've got some squares around here as well. Excuse me, right back. Sulfur, 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 and squares. What's experimental power generation? Let's get some of this stinky stuff. There you go. Squares. What? Over here somewhere. Ah. Well, here they are. Yeah. Some more. That is that. Minutes to the ship gets back. I think we might be able to get upgrades ready for that. What the hell is this?
Research completed.
Turbo.
Experimental power generation research options are now available. These may enhance performance of other fuel sources.
Okay, compacted coal. I don't think it's a really priority at the moment, is it? These oscillators, I did have some. I think I used them for an upgrade for something else. That's annoying. Okay. Shatter rebar? Could have that. How many rebar do we have? Let's do that now. Where is it? There's 99. Red balloons. Shatter rebar might be quite powerful. Okay, so let's get ourselves 50 motors. 50 motors, thank you. Let's do that in there. Need 500 tubes. Should be up here. I didn't switch off production, did I? No, I didn't. 500. Yeah, right. Copper, 500. Okay, 16 seconds to get that. Oh shit. I took the parachute off. I took the parachute off and forgot to put it back on. What an idiot. Bloody hell. Can't get the stuff these days, can you? Right. Yeah, it still works. Okay. Copper is over here. Copper sheets. There we go. There we go. And industrial beams. Is that over there? Vaguely remember starting that. Why is this going so slow? Oh god. upgrades. Old infrastructure. There you go. Not too far away. That is. Yeah, I could build it at the same time. Excellent. Let's get these metal beams. And we can unlock oil and destroy the environment. I mean, do we need 100? Sorted. Where am I? It might actually be fast if I go all the way around. Okay. Oil. This should be most amusing.
Milestone reached. Crude oil can now be extracted and refined to produce various industrially beneficial parts. The byproducts of these processes will require careful management, but a capable pioneer such as yourself surely understands that. To improve efficiency, pipelines can now be optimized with valves to limit and balance their throughput. These were initially left out because FICSIT did not want to overwhelm pioneers with complex pipeline management, but they have since been re-added after my impassioned defense of your capabilities.
Yeah, thank you. Valves. Okay. Oil, I know. There should be one over here somewhere. I've never seen one. Yeah. Oil. Oh, hello. Right by our power generators. Coal generators. Ah. Yeah. Okay. What I need is a way to... I think we're going to be building over there, aren't we? So there's 2 oil over there, so that's... Get. We build these. Right down there. We use these as a way of transporting ourselves across the map. Spare. I still haven't upgraded these poles. I need to do that. Is that connected? Yes. Shit, don't fall off. Thank you. Let's try and use these zip wires. Do we have that on us? Okay. Oh. Stop. Parachutes are good for saving your legs, saving yourself from breaking your neck as well, but not all that finesse. Need a backpack. I need to get the oil, and I need to get the plastic. Need to get some talent as well. There's a thingy over there. Slug. There you go, I got it. Right. Go up there. We don't really need to go up there because the oil's down there, isn't it? There it is. grab this slug if possible. Okay. Thank you. Do you know what I should have done before I come out here? I should have actually checked to see what it would have taken to build a refined oil extractor. So I need motors. Motors for that. What else do I need for pipeline? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think it's just motors we need. Pick up a bit of more copper when we're there. That shelf there. If I build a base over, well, it was build some flooring over that. We can have a mini base out here. We've got some iron here as well. Okay, okay. No. There you go. Yeah, build a mini base over there. How are these motors doing? Excellent day. Let's really crank that up, shall we? What do we need that? Use that slug we stole. Yeah, 250%. Let's take it all. I'm carrying that mycelia for an upgrade, aren't I? Hang on a second. What did I want? Did I not pick up any voters?
Medical properties of local mycelia established. New research options available. Medical inhaler variants.
Ooh. Voters. We did 100. Take an extra 100. We can get some extra storage space, that'd be nice.
Tool belt expanded. The latest data indicates that the mycelia possess sentience. Don't worry, we have been given permission to harvest and repurpose their remains.
I think she's lying.
Vitamin inhaler recipe unlocked. Not only does it restore your health, it also acts as a preventative supplement against scurvy and other shortage-induced conditions. Unfortunately, it does not improve aesthetics, but Pioneer helmets are built to withstand extreme circumstances.
Cool.
Therapeutic inhaler recipe unlocked. It smells like fried breakfast-induced cardiac arrest, but surprisingly, it restores you to full health.
Yeah. Right, what do we want? Copper. It's over here. Oh, I should have used that transport tonight. Hypertubes. That's what I built it for. I think there. Maybe about here. There they are. Okay. What do we want? When do we want it? Make that refinery. Pick up some more tubes. I will extract that. Okay. Industrial beams and other stuff. No, we've got enough industrial beams. Okay. I'm not going to run out anytime soon. Tubes are up there, I think. A couple of these. Stick that back in there. Okay. Right, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Let's get pumping oil. There will be blood. That's a good film, that is. Daniel Day-Lewis. Hey, doggo. I think that's my tamed one. No, it's going to run away. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Well, thank you for the nuclear bomb. Can I load that? Oh, shit. No, I can't. Follow me. Just need to set that thing off. Come on. Wait, a little bit more. Oh, he's safe. Oh, shit. Oh, doggo, don't follow me. Not now. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Come here, come here, come here. Thank you. Right. We're okay, buddy. We're okay. Now, we'll extract. I got the power for this. Probably. I'll make a foundation here. Okay. Dude, go away. I'm trying to snap to the world grid. That's the world grid here. Okay. I love you, but you're in the way. Yeah. Let's get that oil pumping. Comes out there. Where's Doggo? Doggo, come over here. Come on, follow me. Thank you. Sucker. Refinery. Do you reckon I can make 2 refineries? Maybe. Can I split it into 3? There's my pipe network. Here we are. Could do. Okay, split it into 3. Why not? Hello, Raz. Welcome to the fun. Welcome to the disaster zone. Let's stand up on this. You. Yeah, it didn't line up, did it? Oh, never mind. Sylvie. Hello. Why are you floating in the air? What the hell? Why is it floating? Oh. Okay. Wait, look, like it's floating like that. Oh, dude, don't stand there. Come here, come here, come here. Out of the way. It would have been alright, wouldn't it? I didn't need to delete that foundation. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Thank you. I desperately need a hover pack. I can't build without a hover pack. That's higher, isn't it? I'm not going insane. Alright, so it's a case of it's either going to be too high or too low. That's... Oh. God damn it. Can you go play fetch with something? Can you just, like, can I throw a twig or something? Okay. Hopefully that is going to be able to pump up there. I think so. Let's... There you go. Right, let's fire this up. Have to make one there. Yeah, how we doing? Definitely got oil. Yeah, definitely got oil. Note to self, upgrade your poles. Okay. What do we want? When do we want it? It's going to be that. Plastic byproduct. Okay. Okay. Means we're going to need another refinery in front of this one. Shove that in there. A organizer there. Plastic goes in there, this goes in here, this will make fuel. 9 power. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna need to put that fuel in something, aren't I? Yeah, I can't just carry it around in my hands. That might be a little bit dangerous. I need packaging. What do I want this for? Primarily, we want it for the output of this. I mean, we could just put the fuel into storage and just flush the storage when we don't need it anymore. It's not pumping very fast, is it? It's just... How much we got so far? Okay. I could bring the other ones online. What I really should have done is put that in the middle here. Oh, screw it. What's done is done. Let's get back to base. Let's get some more upgrades. Got concrete here. Make it. Yes, we are. Nearly missed that. I think it might be worth putting a hypertube network out there. Fuel packaging. Yes, this is what we want. We want 200 plastic. That's not going to be too far away. Awesome. 200 plastic. Okay. I think we're okay for power. Which begs the question, maybe I'll go back and redo those refineries. But in the meantime, what I could do, put a hypertube all the way from here. Then reach all the way up there. Come on, come on, come on. Away. Away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, give me that. Put that down there. Where do we want to pop out? Where should we put this? We'll be down here. Yes. I was going to upgrade those poles, wasn't I? Never mind. Alright, what have we got? 200 plastic. How much plastic we got? Almost there, actually. Not taking that long, is it? It's the plastic we're after, it's not the fuel we're after, so we don't need to put it into one. We're not actually after the fuel, it's the plastic we want, so we could just make another couple of refineries here. Squeeze this in here. there, if possible. Need power. All of that. Now online. Yeah. We spent all our copper making that. Worth it though. Oh yeah, definitely worth it. I do have a lot of quick wire, so I really need to upgrade those poles. I'm going to stop off at the MAM. See if we can do that, or have we already done that? Have I already done that? I'll be, yeah, being an idiot. I've already done it, haven't I? Damn it. Okay. So I'm going to upgrade that to that. Right. Copper. Is here. Give me all. Thank you. Okay, finally got decent poles. Boop. No, 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 no. Oh. Another. I knew it's going to happen one day. Let's come out right near the edge, and I just knew it's going to happen. How embarrassing. Yeah, where did I build that hypertube? Over here. By the time we got there, probably got 200 worth of fuel anyway. But we might as well complete this. We started, so we're gonna finish. Go there, that can go in there. This is gonna look nasty. Put merger on that one. Okay, we're merging those two over here. Major clippage going on here. Shut that into storage. That's not right, is it? That's not what we wanted to do at all. I'll take that off. Take that off. Gonna merge it. We're gonna go that way. It's not gonna go into there, no matter what I do, is it? We're going to. Screw it. I'll come back and figure this out later. We got what we needed. Made a mill. Hash of that. Got a lot of solid biofuel for those generators. We're going to take all that and we're going to shove it into a thing. refinery going to make biofuel. Stan. Yeah.
Milestone reached. Avoid the embarrassment of placing liquids in your pockets only for them to spread across your suit. Package and unpackage them with the packager.
Yay.
Packaging fluids allows them to be transported in your inventory, on conveyor belts, and by vehicles. For increased, non-pocket related fluid storage, you can now use the industrial fluid buffer.
Did we unlock? We unlocked biofuel, didn't we? Yeah, biofuel's unlocked. Okay, so for a moment there, I didn't think we unlocked it. Right, here's all our biofuel. Not burning, good. I could use some myself. Take this and feed it into a refinery. We're going to make biofuel. I'm going to put on a jetpack. Stick that in there. That can go into there. Upgrade the poles. Give me biofuel. We need water. Right, fine. To there. To there. There's always one little thing, isn't there? And we could package water and get it shipped over here, unpackage it. Do we have a packager? I think we have a packager, don't we? We need rubber for that. Oh, this is getting complicated. Oh, this is going to hurt my brain. Water. Water, water, water. There's water behind us, a little bit of water behind us. It might be enough to pump up the jam. Distance to that is a little bit further than distance to this, isn't it? Where's that? Southeast. Things we have to do, honestly. Water. Way. Slug. No, 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 no. Jesus Christ. Water, water, water. It's gonna be bad. Shh. I think that water over there is going to be too annoying to get to. And it's by the radiation. Okay, I got uranium back there. That's not a good idea. Okay, plan B. We'll go over here. This means we're going to have to ship the biofuel all the way halfway across the map. Go. Water by the coal generators, but no biofuel there. Okay. Water is close by. We're on top of it, just can't see it. Right here. Come on, where are you? There you are. Okay. Let's get this in here. Generator. Refinery over here. That. That. Are we having trouble with chat getting disconnected and reconnected? Sorry about that. Not sure what's going on. YouTube's having a bit of a moment. Chat's reconnected. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That in there. Hook that one up. Hook these into here. Into there. Let's just start pumping. Oh, we're going to need to package it, aren't we? So we're going to need plastic to be shipped. Oh my god. Am I doing this the really hard way? Okay, so plastic's over there, solid biofuels over there. We want to get it all over here. It's got to be an easy way of doing this. I must be doing this the hard way. I think the problem is like it's not so much down to the random resource nodes, is it? Can't pump the water all the way from here there, can I? Ground is reasonably flat. Kind of. It's a long way though, isn't it? Would that work? Would that look like crap? Yes, it would. No. Okay. Hey buddy, how you doing? Ooh. Use modular frames. I can't take that off here because I've got nothing. No storage at the moment. Alright, okay. We need to fix this, don't we? Yeah, made a mess here. If I do that, put that up to there, shove that directly into here. Are you actually producing anything? Did I not plug in the oil? No, I didn't plug in the oil. Genius. Absolute genius. Okay, right. Yeah. Oh, it's heavy oil. Sorry, wait a minute. I wanted this. There we go. Maybe heavy oil residue going to there. Yep, okay. Yeah, it's ugly as hell. Okay, right. Okay. Got the plastic stuck. Until we work something better out, it's just going to be a case of shipping a massive amount of plastic halfway across the map. Never a good idea, but there you go. Oh, is that connected? Okay. Stick that there. Drop that down there. Alright, let's go for a run, shall we? Wait that way. We'll come back one day and fix all this, make it look nice. Yeah. Is that coming out? Yes, it is. Okay. Stupid. This is stupid. And just select the next upgrade as well. But first things first. So we want a packager. You need rubber for the packager. One of these we can convert to rubber. So you are producing what? Plastic. For now. Do this. Disconnect that. Shut that down. Want rubber. Same thing, same idea. There you go. Rubber. Okay. Is that working? Right. How much rubber do we need for that? Only 10. Bit of plastic, no problem. Make some room here. Get rid of that slug. There you go. There you go. Okay, let's do that now. That should be enough. Yeah, okay, right. Back on track. We're back. This hassle just to get biofuel, but it's going to be worth it. Biofuel for the jetpack is going to be absolutely worth it. What am I? There. Give me that. There. Here. Biofuel. That's into there. Now we just need to bio fuel. Which is way over there. Okay. 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 Let's select the next upgrade and dump some stuff we've got on us. Yeah, it's a good idea. Next upgrade. Should we go for logistics? Fuel truck? Maybe. Tier 6. Do we want to go for trains? Fuel generators. Actually, if we want to go for trains, we're going to need more power, so a fuel generator would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Okay, that's something to think about. Yeah, that makes sense. Gonna need the power. Was I building, making fabric for something? Some kind of upgrade. It's a gas mask. Yeah, it's gas mask. Okay, gas mask could be handy. And we got coal over here somewhere. Should have taken the hypertube. Yeah, just a little bit of coal. Thank you.
Research completed. Gas mask and filter unlocked. Mycelia fabric is highly absorbent, making it more effective at toxic gas filtration than the standard issue Pioneer helmet. A pleasant pine scent is included. Gas filters require regular replacement for optimal safety.
That required to build the filters here, I think. Oh no, we need a this could be a manufacturer. Oh, yeah, this could be a manufacturer, or I could just build it here, but I haven't got enough for gas mask. What did I come back here for? Biofuel, yep. Yeah. Okay. That's going into there, which is not a good idea. Actually, that's just rubbish, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to stick you into the floor. Did that connect? Let's find out. Actually, yeah, that's a good idea. Run it over there. I'm not sure that connected. I can't see from down here. Can I get that over to there? Nope. I am out of stuff to get up here. Metal beams. That didn't connect, did it? I bloody knew it. I haven't got any metal beams on me at all. Right. I think YouTube might have broken the chat. So, sorry about that. Where am I making those metal beams? Back there, wasn't it? Over there. All right. There they are. Probably gonna need a lot of. I'll just take it all. Taking doubt. Can I just get that in there? Are you gonna make me move this? Are you really gonna make me move this? Seriously? Whoa. It's too close, isn't it? I don't think that. Whatever. Fine, I'll stretch it out here. There you go. That's definitely working. I just need to fix it down here. Ow. About that. Where are we going out that way? Where are we going? Over there somewhere? Yeah. It should be there. Okay. Perfect. That's a V. Would be up there. Okay. The elevation. No, grab onto that. Yes, I can. There you go, wasn't too bad. Yes, it looks terrible, but it'll do for now. Emergency building. Okay. Wait for that. Stick that in there as well. Why not? That should be empty canisters. The dumbass. Empty canisters, they made out of plastic, not steel, right? For a moment there I thought, oh shoot. Power. That can go into there, that can go into there. Sorted. Okay. That is making that. Need storage. Do a big one. Stick down there. I forgot my jetpack. Okay. One jetpack. Where did I put that? There she is. I can get rid of this parachute now. Get rid of that. That. Okay. Once we get this biofuel in that jetpack, I think we might have enough rubber and plastic for the upgrade. Though we are using some of the plastic. Oops. Let's escape. Give me the fuel, give me the fuel. Yes, this came up quite fast, didn't it? Yeah, set that to... Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. That's more like it. The power of biofuel. Don't run out. That feels a lot better. Okay. Yeah, I need 200. The upgrade. Pop back at the motors. What are we getting? Petroleum power, yes. We make the petroleum power over there. Just see what we need for that. Okay, rubber. Get the rubber. Almost. Why? Oh, did I forget to... Ooh. Yeah, fuel. Production has stopped because we have not let's just put the fuel into this. Over there. I think we could just flush it. Bit of a waste of fuel though. Yeah, we better flush it. Yes, we could put it into storage containers and transport it over there, unpackage it, and so we got oil over here. Producing oil, we could package this fuel here, add it to that, unpackaged it there, add to the fuel supply. Okay. Damn it. That's working, isn't it? Okay. That's working. Alright. Get him stuck. Yeah, we're doing... Is there any slugs around here? This way. I see a slug right there. Let's get rid of this. Oops. Lots more. Okay. We'll overclock that refiner. Freedom! Hey, Buzzball. Good to see chat's working again. Okay. It's nice having biofuel. Such a relief. Crank it up. Are we gonna blow a fuse? That's the question. How are we doing? Okay. Come on. 42. Yep, got it. Let's rock and roll. Okay. I'll swing by the motor generators, which is over here somewhere. Down here, I think. Okay. Oh, it feels so good doing this. Got everything. Plastic. Boom.
Milestone reached. It is my honor and privilege to inform you that the fuel-powered generator, as well as the industrial fluid buffer, are now available. Due to a lack of gold in your sector, Caterium will serve as a suitable replacement to construct the fuel-powered generator. Your research into this element was valuable. In fact, you in particular are my most valuable pioneer, but don't tell the others I said that, it would be bad for morale.
We need fuel generator, quick wire rubber. Oh, we're ready to go on that one. I'm thinking we need a lot more motors. Over here, we got multiple coal generators here, sucking up the water. We could add a load more generators, I think. Coal generators. Lay our foundation on the top of that, because we've got oil here, 2 oil nodes here. And on the top of the generators, we can have fuel generators on top of them. That might actually look organised. Shocking. I can get rid of some of this stuff, carrying too much. I think we're right. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need cement for that then, aren't we? Actually, come to think about it, there's a cement node over there. I had miners somewhere. There. Okay, do we need anything else here? No. Okay, what's next? Logistics, do we want that? Or do we want trains? I think trains will unlock trains next week. No, Friday actually, so this Friday. Won't be streaming tomorrow or Thursday because we're going to have a heat wave and it's going to get too hot in here for that. I'll just pass out. I'll be back Friday. Then back on Monday. That's when we're going to get some trains. Choo-choo. Producing that, can I? Pole is this? That's a crap one. Upgrade that. I think I could go back to the blueprint designer, design some mini factories, but I can take that from you now. Thank you. Yeah, not worth it. We'll do that later. That there. That there. Can I get one more? No, I can't. Don't need a smelter, do I? This is cement. No, I don't. Yeah, splitter. Plug them in, that'll help. Nice. Should have oil here. That's quite high up, isn't it? So I'm going to have to run down. Lucky fluid goes down. So we don't have to pump it up. Okay. We're going to need a lot more. Cement. Metal sheets as well. Let's pop back. Thinking maybe it's best if we run a hypertube over there, actually. Got to think about it. Do I have... Okay, need some tubes. Which is over here. No shortage of tubes, that's for sure. Let's put some storage here. Just offload some stuff here. Don't need that. I do. Comes out here, shoots us out here. If we put another hypertube here, to where we want to go. The hypertubes are pretty cool, aren't they? About there. Plug that in there. Oh, upgrade. Cute. Plug that in there. Shut that there. Get rid of this. There was a slug up there. Grab that concrete. Gonna need it. Not much. That. I got an idea. Yeah. Okay. We've got miners over there. Right over there. Put that on top of that. Oh. Sweet. Stop off here at the miners. There's bauxite here. Is that how you pronounce it? And iron we haven't tapped either. So we can have a little. Where do we want to get out? Thinking, yeah. Put that there. Add in this. Should come out there. Sweet. Stick that in there, so... Okay. Don't want to go over there, do we? That could be... that'd be fine. Yeah, be fine. So just got a bit. Angle that up a little bit. Where are we going? Screw it, let's just go up here. And that. I was tempted to have it going to here, have an exit here, so we could just jump out and just fly. Actually, how did the hypertube junctions work? When you're flying down the hypertube, you just hit the E key and it switches which way it goes. And you see a flashing light to see which direction it's going. This is pretty cool. We might see that in a minute if I can get this done. Actually, we do want a junction here as well, don't we? Because oil production is going to be over there somewhere. This is where we're going to build the facilities. Oh, okay. Fell off the edge. I could put another layer of probably a lot more coal-fired power stations here, down there, and layer a foundation over that and put the fuel generators on top of that. Ooh. Over here, down here, we've got uranium. No, I was thinking about putting nuclear generators down there late game, but I don't want to pump uranium halfway across the map, especially right for the middle of my factory. That's not going to be good. Okay, we want a junction here, don't we? We did this one, or just do that one? This isn't my first game. This is the first time I've played 1.2 version of this game. I played in beta and 1.0 and 1.1, but I never got around to playing 1.2. So it's been about over a year, I think. Since I played. And 1.2, there's big upgrades going in. That update went in. I haven't come across that yet. I think it's vehicle pathing. We haven't actually unlocked vehicles at the moment. This is going to look awesome. If I put that down to about there, maybe. Where did we want to come out? Oil. It should be oil close by now. Right there. And there. much on top of it. There she is. He started at the end of 1.1, made a new game in 1.2 and nearly done with phase 2. Cool. Awesome. It's very addictive, isn't it? Phase 3. So you've done phase 3, so you're a little bit ahead of me. Nice. I just pump the oil straight down here, rather than having any refineries. I could just pump it straight down, couldn't I? Get rid of this. I'm doing a random node placements, so that's why we got oil in a weird place. Pump that straight down here, little gully here. I'm assuming the game's not going to freak out if I drop the oil right down there. Probably not. Okay, let's set it up. Oil extractor to go roughly that direction. Power. Okay, give me piping. Pretty neat, he says. Nice. Okay. Where's the other one? That way. $100 meters. 70. It's gonna be up here. Oil. What else we got? Cement. Animals. They're growling. Can I test my new gun on you, please? Where's it? There's. Don't move. Thank you. Yeah, that's weird. Right. Yeah. Oil extractor. Did I forget to pick up the motors on the way here? I did, didn't I? Bloody did. Build a miner though. Where was that? Cement over there. Is that you growling at me down there? Nobody else up here, is it? No, there's a doggo over there. I got no berries on me. Oh, bugger. Right, cement. There should be one there. Ooh. There's a lot here. We can make... Oh, cement's up there. Thought that's too good to be true. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, move. Gotcha. Professional sniper. Nice.
Freighter records indicate this comes from the past, which is normal.
That's great. Thanks for that. Have to come back here. Yeah, carrying a lot of crap on us. I see a slug down there. Hang on, I lost my bearings. Where am I? Okay. Put this pole down here as a marker. Come back here. Trying to forget about that. Oh, hello. Yeah, nice try, mate. Nice try. Now, what point do we cover this with foundations? Thinking maybe here. That could go under the coal processing down there, and up here we can have fuel generators. Okay, shaping up. It's gonna look a bit bad with the clipping, but we are out of everything. That show me the way to go home. You. Okay, let's go home. Get more resources. Yeah. It looks nasty, the clipping. Oh, I missed it. I could go back and tidy it up. Or I could just pretend not to see it. Did I see nothing? Okay, what do we want? We want motors, cement, and these things here. We are carrying too much crap on us. Okay. Actually, yeah. Space elevator parts here. Have you been... Ooh. Why are we down? What? Something's gone wrong. Overproducing here. Not to wait. First things first. First things first. Cement. And metal plates. And dump a load of stuff we don't need. Right, yes. We don't need that. I think we're done with hypertubes for now, aren't we? Don't need that. We do some research. Get rid of that hard drive. Cool. Don't need that. That's good. We might need some more quick wire. Yeah, I think we need some of this. Cement. Do we not have cement going to storage? Ooh, we're wasting resources here, aren't we? Okay, let's build this. Yeah. Yeah, patch came out today. So I was about 10 minutes late going to stream. I had the game running at lunchtime, UK time. Just letting it run. And there wasn't a patch due then. When I came in to actually stream and launched the game again, and bloody patch went in. I haven't actually read all through it yet. I think it's mainly bugs fixing. Oh, we got a lot of cement down here. Yeah, got a lot of cement. Actually, no. Build that. I need metal plates. Foundation takes 2 to 5. Okay, so it's going to take more cement than metal plates. Right. Metal plates are over here. Okay. There. Okay, let's get out there. I'm gonna have to start putting signs on these tubes. Give myself directions which one goes where. I'm just gonna get lost. It's not really lined up, that is it? I could put a junction there, couldn't I? I should have put a junction there. That would have been a good idea. I'll do that on the way back, if I remember. Oh yeah. You got those bean creatures walking through the foundations, haven't you? That's really annoying. They get stuck, don't they? I'm in a built factory and you get a big creature stuck in it. It's just like, great. It's really annoying, that is. Is that going to line up? Okay. How far do we want to take this? That is the question. That there, just in case I fall down. A couple more. I'm building fuel power plants up here. Downstairs we've got coal fire down there. I might extend the coal fire underneath these foundations. Extra coal fire here. But up here we can have the fuel generators. It means this area is going to get a bit loud. That's the plan. That should give us enough power to run trains. We can unlock some trains. Trains are very, very power hungry. A couple more over here. Might be enough. Might be big enough. The next one then. And maybe one more. Right. Did I not bring anything else with us because we didn't have room, did we? We have to build refineries down here. Okay. What do we need for refinery? We need rotors. Some copper. Oil extractors, more rotors for that. We've already built one, haven't we? And the actual generator itself. More rotors and some rubber. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Build a junction here. Yeah. Put that there. fly out of the junction and hit my head on. And think, what'd I do? That'll do. Right, where were we? Our hard drive's ready. Let's see what wonders we got. Rotors are being built here, I believe. Well, I'll think about it. Get these out. Oh, damn, I'm still carrying too much crap. I should have left the cement and metal back at the base. Oh well. What's that hard drive? Alternative smart plating? Alternative this. Don't know, not a priority at the moment. What do we need? No, that's a space elevator, that's right. Okay. Rubber, we can get out there. Okay, I think we're pretty much ready. Let's change that to over here. There we better. Thank you. Is this just junk here? Kind of. I need to dump some stuff. That should do that. Give me the rubber. Okay. Ooh. Okay. First fuel pipe come down here. I'm assuming he's scanning for oil. Second one's over there, so I'm assuming the pipe's going to come down here for that one. Okay, right. Let's get refining. Yeah, cheers. Nice landing. I'm just happy I didn't get myself killed. there. Thank you. Enter. Do hyper tubes draw power all the time or only when used? I think it's only when they're used. No, I think it's only when they've been used. So if we check the power here, it's all level. If I disconnect that one, it shouldn't see a change, should it? Oh, well, max consumption. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't think they do. He says, famous last words. Yeah, let's plug that back in. Don't quote me on that. I don't think they do. Okay. Did I plug that thing in? What do we want to do with the fuel? Do we want rubber or plastic or both? I'll do both. I'm gonna have this set being plastic and the other set being rubber. I think we need more plastic than we need rubber, so I might change that. Have some power down here, please. Thank you. What kind of power poles are these? The crappy ones. Okay. We don't want no crap. Right, that's pumping. Nice. Now. Heavy oil. We feed the heavy oil into one pipe. So it comes out really slowly, doesn't it? Yeah. Refiner. Yeah. Give me the fuel. Give me the power. We have fuel. The rate this fuel's coming out, without overclocking, I think it's just going to be enough for one power generator. That one up there should give us enough of a power generator. This might be actually disappointing. All this work. I think we could get more power. How much does the power generator give us? That's saying its output 250 megawatts compared to 75 megawatts for coal-fired power plants. Okay, I think it's worth it. That's without overclocking. Pipe out That's a nice big jump. One more might be enough for trains. Maybe. Stable. Looking good. Okay. Oh. Output. We didn't have the plastic output. It did go in anywhere, did we? Right. What are we going to do with that? Okay. Didn't think about what to do with the plastic output. We do need it at some point. I don't want to throw it away at the moment. Okay. Let's think about that. Could I just do that? Into here. That into there. There. Yeah, we've got a lot of clipping going on here, but we can redesign this later on. Did I not connect that? Hello? Thank you. Just have mega storage until I figure out what to do with it. Yeah. Right. The other oil. It's up here somewhere. Over there. Oh yes, we know where this is. I saw a yellow slug over there. I see It's right here. It's right here. What am I doing? Pump it over to there, then down. There. Okay. If the pipe doesn't stretch all the way down there, we could just run it down there. That seems like a plan. Stan. Got no berries on me for that doggo. There's some berries around here somewhere. No. Oh. Copper. Dinner at the copper. No two ways about it. We have to go back and get some more copper. There is my entrance. There. I was going to extend that. I haven't got any. Well, at least with Piper Tube, it doesn't take that long to get back to base. It's not like we're running all the way back. That would suck. getting there pretty fast. Still got a death crate on my map. Well, when I first episode I got killed out there. I could go get that back, but there's spiders down there. It's annoying. And there's a crate on the map. Where is that? I need to dismantle this crate. What is that out there? Into here. Cute. Right. Copper, 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 copper. That crate, we need to dismantle. I think it's downstairs. Take all that. Exactly. So a bit of a glitch in the system there. While I think about it, let's get that crate. There she is. Okay. Well, that's pointless, isn't it? We get that other fuel generator up and running. And we'll call it a day, I think. And then Friday we should have enough resources to unlock trains and should have enough power to actually do something with them. Should be awesome. This hypertube that goes up here, I don't think we need to extend it any further, because once we finish building that pumping thing here, I don't think we need to go back to it. There's a lot of cement up here, so we might come back here one day. What do we want to do? Wanted piping. Piper. Can I get that all the way down there? Yeah, I thought it was a bit too long. So before we leave, we actually plug it in. Might be a good idea. That might be a good idea. Cables here. Let's stick that up there. There you go. Okay, cool. Any power poles here as well. Okay. Put that in there. there. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Refinery. Out there. Give it a bit of room. Air. We need more stuff. Enough to get 2 going. Sweet. Stick that there. We're just gonna do rubber here, won't we? Yeah, okay. Rubber. One. We need stuff. We need industrial tubes, and that's it. Okay. Almost there. Go back and chop those trees down as well. It's annoying. The clippage. Industrial tubes and some motors. We need rotors. That's enough. Industrial tubes over here. Somewhere. Yeah, there you go. A few more. got the bloody tubes. Ugh. Tragic. It's getting late. Put me out to grass. Tubes are quite close anyway, so that won't take long to pick up. I believe they are over here. No, they're not. Over here. There they are. Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. As we unlock trains on Friday, I think our first stop will be the power plant. Ship all this plastic and rubber out, stop over there, pick up some stuff, and then go into the main base. We'll see. Think about designing it. Swing via our biofuel production for what it's worth. Pick some stuff out there. Right, about there. Wabba. Ow. What do we do? We did one refiner out here. Gives us plenty of room. Damn it. There you go. That's better. Fuel. Put that here. Run up here. Over here. Okay. Right. Industrial output. Stick it to storage. There's our rubber. Give me the power. Quick wire, quick! It's a case of... Yes! Right. Link that up to there. Where's that? Okay. Do I have enough quick wire to... Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, we could use an old pole. Yeah, it don't matter. Hello, what's that dip? Is that me unplugging something? Probably. Would that be enough power for trains tomorrow, Friday? I hope so. Got 2 fuel. We got another fuel generator. We can have another fuel generator. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. We were making plastic for our biofuel generator over the other side of the map, and we just did a quick bodge fix, as in we put the fuel from this one generator here into an overflow, but they could turn that into a generator now if we got the power. Or if we got the resources. What resources we got here? Okay. We need quick wire. Right. Okay. Be right back. We can have another generator. That should be enough of trains, shouldn't it? I hope. Quick wire is over here, way over the other side. Somewhere here. There she is. No, that's cement. There it is. Yeah. Got enough for a generator. Yep. Hit the factory. Didn't put these hypertubes in the right place if you want a good exit. Oh, well, we can change that, I suppose. That's cool. What do we do here? This. We've got an out pipe. Can we just build a generator right here? Doesn't matter. I'll delete this. Delete that. The generator here. pick that crate up before we leave. One. Put it over here. There you go. Stick it right there. Plug it in. We got the power. Get rid of this. We got some stuff on us we don't need at the moment. Okay, cool. Right, this Friday we should have enough resources to unlock trains. We should have enough power to power the trains. If not, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. These generators, we might be able to overclock them. Wait a minute. Are we just offloading rubber here? Don't want that. That's not going to last, is it? I could sink the rubber. That's all going out there. Bit of cement here. Okay. We are going to switch this over to producing plastic. Yeah, because we made it into rubber because we needed rubber at the time, but now we don't really need the rubber. So we could just do that, make it look really ugly here. There you go. Oh, that's gone into... Oh, okay. Okay, sorted. Right, okay, it's getting too hot in here. Right, Friday. I think we've got the resources pretty much to unlock trains straight away. So that should be most amusing. I'll see you then. Cheerio.